Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to delete drafts posts on your Telegram account. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, and let's get started. First, we need to go to Instagram. After that, we need to click on the plus. After that, we need to click on this button. And here we have these drafts. After that, click on Manage button, click Edit, and choose this photo and click Done. And click Discard Posts. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.